About 25 miles off coast of Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean, there is a most dangerous island where no local would ever dare tread. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about most interesting topic, Snake Island. It is small in size, only 106 acres, and has a temperate climate with temperature ranging from 19 degrees Celsius in August to 28 degrees Celsius in March. It is one of world's deadliest island with more than 4,000 snakes. No human has lived on the island since 1920s. There is about one deadly snake per square meter on it. Basically, you can't walk a step without seeing another snake. Nowadays, the Brazilian government has declared the island off limits. Only the Navy or certain teams of researchers go there.
The danger on the island comes in the form of golden lancehead snakes. This island is the only home of golden lancehead, which is the most venomous vipers in the world. The viper is yellowish brown color. Its venom is 3 to 5 times stronger than any snake residing on the island. A single bite has a 7% fatality rate and can cause narcosis of muscular tissue, brain hemorrhage, kidney failure, and intestinal bleeding. A human bitten by this viper can die within an hour as it is capable of melting human flesh. The only source of food for these snakes are birds that use this island as resting stop. The snake hides in the trees. When a bird stops on the island for a rest, the snake strikes. The venom unable to move the bird before it can fly off. Scientists believe that golden lancehead venom can be used for pharmaceutical purposes. The snake population grew rapidly on the island because, unfortunately, there are no known predators for the golden lancehead snake.
The island is full of different kinds of vegetation. It is partially covered in rainforest and other part consists of bare rock and grassy cleared areas as a result of deforestation. The island is also home to a smaller population of Dipsas albifrons, a non-venomous snake species. It lives in the trees and feeds primarily on snails and slugs. These snakes also live on the mainland.
The mysterious island is also known as Ilha da Queimada Grande. The locals of the region had tried to clear the land by burning it. The attempt is actually where the island gets its name. It roughly translates to the island of the big land clearing fire. Apart from snakes, there are other vulnerable species present on the Snake Island. According to records, about 41 bird species are to be found on the Snake Island. The ban on entry doesn't stop poachers and wildlife smugglers who illegally visit the island to capture the snakes. A single golden lancehead can fetch around $30,000 on the black market.
If you were to be boating around Snake Island, you wouldn't think it is infested with thousands of snakes. It looked like a perfect place. I hope you liked this video. Goodbye until we come back with a new topic.